Up next, viewers, we're getting you some exclusive visuals. Now, these are the first visuals of the face-off between the Pakistan Army and the Taliban at the Kunar province in Afghanistan. And those are visuals that we have exclusively accessed here at Republic TV. And for more details with respect to these visuals, let me go across to our senior executive editor, Abhishek Kapoor, who's joining us on the broadcast. Abhishek, if you could talk about these visuals that we have accessed from near the Kunar province in Afghanistan, which is considered to be somewhere where the Pakistan and the Taliban, in fact, are having a face-off. What more can you tell us with respect to these visuals?
Priyanka, this is a big breaking development. Essentially, the Pakistan Army and the Taliban are having a face-off on the issue of Durand Line. And these are visuals of yesterday afternoon when artillery shelling started from the Pakistani Army side. This was in response to the Taliban removing fencing along the Durand line because the Afghans essentially and also the Taliban do not believe in the sanctity of Durand line, which is effectively the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan. In fact, the Taliban and the Afghanis believe that the greater Afghanistan or the actual Afghanistan goes much beyond its Durand line borders and includes the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, for example, which was earlier the Northwest Frontier Province, NWFP. So the Pakistanis, in response to the removing of fences, carried out this artillery shelling, which was responded to by the Taliban, and that's why this is almost like a war situation between Pakistani army and Taliban going on. Taliban, in fact, have sent in and dispatched reinforcements. This is in the region of Kunar province and the districts of the hamlets of Ganjgal, Sarkano, along the Durand line. In fact, includes Dangam, and heavy clashes are going on even now because retaliatory firing. And imagine if artillery is to be used, that clearly shows the scale of escalation that has taken place. So important development there. The Pakistani backers of Taliban are having a go at the Taliban itself, and the Taliban responding with artillery fire.
Well, absolutely, Abhishek. I request you to stay on with us. We're also being joined by Sushant Sareen of the ORF. Mr. Sareen, how do you see these visuals that have now come in and the latest skirmish between the Taliban and the Pakistani army with respect to the fencing on the border in the province of in Afghanistan?
Look, as far as the Durand line is concerned, there have always been some tensions between elements of the Taliban who are not exactly beholden to Pakistan and elements within the Taliban who are, of course, Pakistani puppets, the Haqqanis and others. But these tensions existed even in the 90s when the Taliban had first taken over power, and there were instances of clashes between the Taliban and the Pakistan even back then. So if you look at it in that context, I wouldn't overplay what has been happening. But the important thing is that the Taliban back then also did not ever endorse the Durand line, number one. Number two, what is equally important is the fact that despite these minor skirmishes which keep happening along the border, the tensions along the border, the fact that there are elements who are not well disposed towards Pakistan in Afghanistan, also within the Taliban, all of this notwithstanding, I think in the larger frame of things, the Pakistanis will keep trying to reach out to the Taliban on the strategic plane. I don't think this is going to drive a wedge between Pakistan and Taliban just yet. These tensions will keep happening. All of those things will happen. But I think the larger relationship is not going to be very badly affected. I think we would be making a mistake if we imagine that is going to happen.
Well, yes, Mr. Sareen, thank you for breaking down those details for our viewers. And I also want to thank Abhishek for joining us on the broadcast. We will keep a close track of that developing story.
Have you had conflict